The best investment you can make is in yourself. Warren Buffett. Empty pockets never held anyone back. Only empty heads and empty hearts can do that. Norman Vincent Peale. What if I told you there's a way to double your money faster than you ever imagined? Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, starting a business, or building wealth for your future, these 5 proven strategies can get you there. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to transform your financial future. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 proven strategies to help you double your money quickly and effectively. These methods aren't about shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. They're actionable strategies backed by real-world success stories and expert insights. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's dive in. 1. Flipping assets is one of the fastest and most rewarding strategies to double your money, especially if you have an eye for value. For example, consider real estate flipping, purchasing a fixer-upper home at a low price, investing in renovations, and reselling it for a profit. Let's say you buy a property for $150,000, spend $30,000 on upgrades, and sell it for $230,000. Your $180,000 total investment turns into a $50,000 profit. This strategy works best in areas with growing demand and can be scaled with multiple properties or partnerships with contractors. The same principle applies to flipping cars. Buy used vehicles that need minor repairs, fix them affordably, and sell them at market value. For a more digital approach, website flipping offers similar opportunities. Imagine purchasing a blog or e-commerce site for $2,000 on platforms like Flippa, improving its content, SEO, and monetization strategies, and selling it for $5,000 within months. Imagine acquiring a food blog with steady traffic, optimizing it with affiliate marketing links, and selling it to an aspiring food influencer. With some effort, flipping tangible or digital assets can turn your side hustle into a significant income source while teaching you valuable business skills. 2. Arbitrage. Arbitrage opportunities are a fantastic way to double your money by exploiting price differences across markets. For example, you can purchase clearance items from retail stores and resell them online for a profit. Let's say a big box store is clearing out brand-name sneakers for $50 a pair, but they sell for $100 on platforms like eBay or Amazon. You purchase 20 pairs for $1,000, list them online, and sell them for $2,000, a neat doubling of your initial investment after fees. Tools like Amazon's FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, make it easy to streamline the process by handling storage, shipping, and customer service for your products. Another exciting is leveraging currency arbitrage. Imagine you notice a foreign exchange rate disparity where you can buy a currency at a low rate in one country and sell it at a higher rate in another. Using platforms like PayPal or Wise, you move funds strategically and profit from the difference. Though it may sound complex, many online tools and communities can help you identify and execute such opportunities. Whether flipping products or currencies, arbitrage is about being observant, acting quickly, and understanding market trends, turning small initial investments into significant profits. If you're finding these strategies valuable, check out our channel's video titled "One Money Habit That Can Make You Rich." It's packed with actionable advice to elevate your financial habits. Find the link in the description below. Hit the like button if you're enjoying this content. Subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building strategies and share this video with someone who needs it. Let's grow our financial knowledge together. 3. Angel investing in startups can be a high-risk but potentially life-changing way to double, or even multiply, your money. By providing early-stage funding to a startup in exchange for equity, you're betting on the company's future success. For example, consider investing $5,000 in a tech startup developing an innovative app. If the company takes off and is later acquired or goes public, your initial stake could easily grow tenfold or more. Think about companies like Uber or Airbnb. Early investors who believed in their potential saw massive returns on relatively small investments. Imagine finding a health tech company with a solid business plan and a passionate founder who needs funding to launch their product. You invest $2,000, and 2 years later, the company secures a significant Series A funding round, increasing your equity's value. While not every investment will be a home run, diversifying your angel investments across several promising startups increases your chances of hitting a big return, all while supporting innovative ideas and entrepreneurs. 4. Investing in precious metals, such as gold, silver, and platinum, is a timeless way to protect and grow your wealth. These assets often serve as a hedge against inflation and economic instability, making them a valuable addition to any portfolio. For example, if you purchase $5,000 worth of gold during a market downturn, historical trends suggest its value could double in a few years as global demand increases. Physical metals like coins or bars are tangible, providing a sense of security, while ETFs or mining stocks offer a more liquid and easily accessible option for investors. Imagine investing in silver during a period when its industrial demand is set to rise, perhaps due to advancements in renewable energy that require significant silver for solar panels. You purchase $2,000 worth of silver bars or a silver-backed ETF. Over the next few years, as demand spikes, silver prices increase by 50%, then double, allowing you to cash in on your investment. Whether you're buying gold coins, silver bars, or shares in a mining company, precious metals can be a steady, reliable way to grow your wealth while diversifying your investment strategy. 5. Leveraging real estate is a powerful way to double your money by using borrowed funds to amplify returns. The concept is simple. Purchase a property with a small down payment, such as 20%, and let the property's appreciation, rental income, or a combination of both generate returns on the full value of the asset. For example, you buy a $200,000 home with $40,000 down, and over 5 years, the property value appreciates to $300,000. This $100,000 increase represents a 250% return on your initial $40,000 investment. Meanwhile, rental income could cover your mortgage, further enhancing your cash flow. Picture a scenario where you find a duplex for $150,000 in an up-and-coming neighborhood. You put down $30,000 and finance the rest. You rent out one unit for $1, $200 a month while living in the other, effectively covering your mortgage. After some minor upgrades costing $5,000, the property's value increases to $200,000 within 3 years. By refinancing or selling, you not only double your initial investment, but also gain valuable experience in property management. Leveraging real estate is a tried-and-true method to build wealth, with the added advantage of creating long-term passive income streams. You now have 5 powerful strategies to double your money fast. The question is, which one will you take action on today? Remember, success isn't just about knowing what to do, it's about doing it. But wait, there's more. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how to make your money grow, tips and tricks. From secret investment techniques to little-known habits of the wealthy, you don't want to miss this transformative journey. If you're ready to build wealth and achieve financial freedom, subscribe and comment below with your favorite strategy. Let's continue this journey together. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions.